Hi, good evening. I represent batch 11 of CBA, batch 7. I'm Amit Madan, and my group members are Ashu Gupta, Amit Kumar, and Abhineet Singh. What we've done today is that we have created a national dashboard by virtue of which we are providing a helicopter view about various aspects and the state of education as it prevails in India. On my topmost left are the five bottommost states which are representing the teachers to school ratio. Now, we chose to represent the five bottommost states because we wanted to be able to pinpoint on which are those five states that merit attention. We can see through the years that Meghalaya has consistently remained to be a state which merits attention, where the teacher to school ratio remains pretty low, with less than one teacher on an average in the school. Secondly, we have depicted female literacy versus overall literacy statistics as they prevail through the years. Uh, One can observe through the statistics that female literacy as a ratio of overall literacy has risen, except for the year 12-13, where there is a marginal decrease, and it has remained static for 13-14 as well. Third, we have depicted year on year school and infrastructural changes, and in doing so, we have captured the percentage difference in the adoption of computers, the percentage difference in the implementation of or providing of toilet for the girls. We have captured the percentage difference in the total number of schools and percentage difference in providing potable water. One can observe that relative to 2010-11, the statistic for percentage difference in girls' toilet is a huge negative 95%. Uh, However, as we proceed ahead, this has improved marginally and has remained constant throughout until 2013-14. Similarly, other aspects like percentage difference in the computers, schools, as well as water can be easily observed by way of this area graph. Last, on this national dashboard, we have provided for a whole host of summary statistics where, in a table format and through the various academic years between 2010 and 2014, we can observe the numbers for total teachers, total enrollment, total girls enrolled, and total number of schools. I now take you to the state level dashboard where I begin with total schools versus various infrastructure related measures that we chose were best representative of capturing the improvement in any typical state in India. And in doing so, we have put in a filter where we could choose either one state or we could also choose multiple states just for comparison's sake. So, in our view, we felt that this dashboard would be best put to use by the state level authorities where they might want to compare the performance of their own state relative to the performance of another state within India. Now, through this infrastructure measures, we have focused mainly on the penetration of girls' toilet, the penetration of computer adoption, provision of electricity, provision of potable water, and the sheer number of total schools through the years 2010 all the way up to 2014. Similarly, on my right at the top is a parameter where we have captured the density of postdoctorate teachers, the density of PhD and MPhil holder teachers, as well as postgraduate teachers in the education system. Uh, in the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan program of the Government of India, one of the main parameters was uh, how good the quality of elementary education is being provided to the children at the elementary level. we felt that these three parameters best represented the quality of elementary level education, because the quality of elementary education is as good as the quality of teachers imparting the very education. One can see that for the chosen states of Bihar and Gujarat, there is an improvement in Bihar as well as in Gujarat, and I think this provides a pretty good insight into understanding that the share of total postgraduate teachers remains throughout remains consistent, and it remains positive throughout the years. Then third, we have the enrollment of disabled girls and boys versus total enrollment. So as a part of the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan program of the Government of India, it was pertinent that we captured a measure which explained the kind of penetration or the kind of representation disabled children had in the overall scheme of things as far as elementary education in India is concerned. Therefore, we captured the parameters that explained the disability enrollment for both the genders. And one can see that this has remained virtually a fraction of the total enrollment. On my bottom right, you have the last one, which speaks about the teachers who have received the training while they remained in service. So this provides the absolute numbers as they existed in the database. Thank you so much.